Champ Term Book, Series 5. Term 1, Social Studies. Chapter 4, The Region of Dense Forests. The Democratic Republic of the Congo. The region that lies on either side of the equator is called Equatorial Region. This region consists of the Amazon River Basin, South America, the Zaire River Basin, West Africa, and the Southeast Asian countries of Malaysia and Indonesia. This region has a wet and hot climate. It is covered with thick rainforests. To know more about the Equatorial Region, we will study the climate and life of the people of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Zaire, whose capital is Kinshasa. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, is located in the Zaire Basin of the Equatorial Region. Observe the Equatorial Region in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. Location of the DRC. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is located in the western part of Africa. The equator passes through the middle of this country. It is the third largest country in Africa. River Zaire passes through the DRC. The DRC has a 40 km coast along the Atlantic Ocean. The DRC has mountains on its three sides. Mount Margarita is the highest peak in the northeast part of the country. Climate. The climate of the DRC remains hot and humid throughout the year. The country's annual average temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius. It does not have the winter season. This happens because the sun rays fall vertically over the Zaire Basin all the year round. In the DRC, mornings are warm with bright sunshine. Nights are cool and pleasant. But afternoons are very hot and humid. Due to evaporation of water from lakes and rivers, clouds are formed. This results in heavy rain almost daily. The DRC has a high annual rainfall of 150 centimeters. Vegetation. Heavy rainfall and hot and humid climate help in the growth of rainforests in the DRC. These rainforests are among the largest and thickest rainforests of the world. The vast grasslands of these forests are rich in natural vegetation. Here very tall trees grow close to each other. Some trees even reach the height of 40 meters. At many places these trees form a canopy which prevents the sunlight reaching the earth. The ground of the rainforests is covered with shrubs and bushes. Some grasses grow 15 centimeters a day due to hot and humid conditions. The forests of the DRC are called evergreen forests because they remain green throughout the year. Trees like mahogany and ebony grow in these forests. Trees like rubber, bamboo and coconut grow on the coastline of the DRC. The rainforests provide raw material for industries. However, due to thick undergrowth, it is difficult to reach these forests by land. People use water transport to go into these forests. Wildlife. The DRC is called the natural zoo of the world because it is home to a wide variety of wildlife. Different types of birds, animals, reptiles and insects inhabit the rainforests and marshy lands of the DRC. Hippos, elephants, gorillas, monkeys, chimpanzees, rhinoceros and wild buffaloes are found here. Many types of snakes, crocodiles and alligators are found in the lakes and rivers of the DRC. However, cutting of forests, illegal hunting of animals and mining activities have adversely affected the wildlife of the region. Agriculture. Most of the people in the DRC live in villages. They practice shifting agriculture. They clear a patch of forest land to cultivate crops. They grow crops like maize, rice, rubber, coffee, cocoa, tobacco, cotton and groundnut. Once the soil of their land loses fertility, they clear a new area of forest land for agriculture. Cassava, a root crop, and banana are the staple food of the people here. Cassava is dried and powdered into flour, which is used for making bread. Mineral resources. The DRC is rich in mineral deposits. It is a leading producer of industrial diamonds in the world. Here gold, silver, copper, manganese, cobalt, coal and uranium are also found. A good part of the country's income comes from the export of these metals. The country has few industries around its cities. These include cement, textile, food processing and tobacco industries, mostly located in Lubumbashi and Kinshasa, the capital of the DRC. Water resources. The DRC has abundance of water resources. River Zaire is its main water resource. It is the second largest river after the Nile in Africa, and the fifth largest in the world. The country has 4 main lakes: Edward, Kivu, Albert and Tanganyika. Water transport. In the DRC, roads and railways are difficult to keep in good condition due to hot and humid climate. Roads and railways connect only main cities and industrial centers. To reach the interiors or dense forests of the country, River Zaire serves as an important waterway. Due to River Zaire's importance in water transport, it is also called the Highway of Central Africa. River Zaire is not navigable throughout its length as many waterfalls rise from it. Some of these waterfalls are the Livingstone Falls, the Stanley Falls and the Inga Falls. River Zaire enters the Atlantic Ocean at Matadi, which is an important port city of the DRC. Water is also utilized to generate hydroelectricity by building dams across River Zaire. As the DRC does not have good resources of coal and petroleum, hydroelectricity fulfills its energy needs. Life in the DRC. The DRC is thinly populated. People mainly live in villages, which are situated in or around dense forests. The people in villages follow traditional lifestyle, but those living in cities have adopted modern European lifestyle. The people of the DRC speak the Bantu language. Majority of them are Christians. Most of the people are tall, dark-colored Negroes with curly hair. However, short-statured people, called pygmies, live in the northern part of the country. The pygmies are nomads. They depend on hunting and fishing for their livelihood. They are skilled hunters. The DRC is still a backward country but rich in natural resources. However, many modern cities have come up in the DRC after its independence in 1960. The country spends its earning from exports on development works. Due attention is also being given to the education of people.